Good morning, everybody. Make sure everything's working. Hopefully, I'm coming through here. It is Wednesday morning, and once again, Eddie's late. He's late. I don't know where he's at, but Eddie's late. He's out there working, doing his thing. Anyway, this morning should be an interesting morning. We had the big glitch yesterday in the markets. I'm still not sure I understand what the glitch was. If you're a conspiracy theorist, I don't know. It's like BOA. Money's missing out of BOA accounts. How would you like to wake up one morning and and see well, $12 million is missing out of my bank account. I don't know who's that. Usain Bolt that happened to. Craziness, man. Craziness. Let's see what the market looks like first thing this morning. I want to think according if SPY has anything to do with it, it's not a good morning right now. So should be interesting. Should be interesting. Just setting up my lines right now. You guys can see what I do here. Hold on. Set up SPY for this morning here. Hopefully Eddie will find his way into the channel. So we're going to look at yesterday's high, which is right there. Yesterday's low, which is right there. And as you can see, we are way past that. We're going to get rid of this 400 and we're going to move this down to 398 this morning. There is a long-standing support resistance at 398. So we're going to leave that there. And we're going to kind of work from this with SPY this morning. What time frame are we on? I don't know why this is always here. I hate this here. What time frame are we on right now? We're on a 2-minute chart. Let's open it up to a 5-minute chart. As you can see, the downtrend, the macro downtrend since last January, we've broken back below that. I don't think there is a gap. There's a small gap this morning. Depends on how you define the gap, but there's a small gap right here. So let's see if it's going to come back up, fill that gap, get above 398, and then I have a sneaking suspicion we're coming down. I have a sneaking suspicion we're coming down to around 393 this morning. So, well, Vinny, why do you think that? Here's that. So there's that resistance. Here's some support. All right. A little bit of shaded consolidation along that 393 area there. So, yep, market's just opened. Let's see. And I'm actually going to put my money where my mouth is this morning. Let me SPY contracts. What the hell? Why is that doing that to me there? We want the 393 contracts. What's my price on them? My GNS is getting the heck kicked out of me right there with that. Not happy with that. That was just a dumb move on my part. Now I got to try to make that money up. You guys can see SPY is coming down. It's coming down. Everything is dropping this morning. Today is definitely a go low day. Today is definitely a go low day. At least off the rip this morning. I don't know why this is doing that. I don't know where Eddie is. I need Eddie right now. I'll close this out for a second. So, what's going on with everybody out there tonight? Or tonight, this morning? How's everybody doing? Who we got watching today? Who is here today? Eddie. Eddie. Eddie, everybody's waiting on you. You're missing the big spy move to the downside. I don't know why it's telling me that. Ah, Eddie's watching his own stream from his cell phone. Oh boy. All right. Think I'm going to take a loss on some of this GNS. This GNS is killing me. Let's get 5 out of there. Actually, you know what? We're going to wait the first 15 on this one, on GNS. We'll wait the first 15. There's a hard shelf down here. I want to see if it's going to bounce off that or not. Had a decent night last night out driving. I got out a little bit last night. Went out for about 4 hours. Picked up $160. Got a nice Lux Black XL from Lyft. Went about 10 miles for $60. Then I picked up a couple of Uber rides. 2 Premier rides. No, I take that back. One XL that paid like $28, and then another and then a Premier that paid like 60. It was $68 for like 33 miles, something like that. So quick 160 on 3 rides. It was a good morning or a good night. Then I got home, said I was going to take my ass to sleep by midnight, and I did not take my hind parts to sleep by midnight. I didn't do it. I didn't do it. So I'm a little groggly, waiting on Eddie. I want to watch him lose his money, but he's got to be here for me to watch him lose his money. Checking the social feeds. I don't know who that is. Get all these followers, man. If you want to hit me up on Instagram, same name as my channel, Vinny Cuz. Spelt the same way, nothing's different. You can hit me up on Instagram. I don't post a lot there, but sometimes I like to start trouble on Instagram. You can follow Eddie Driving in Style, watch me lose my money at Eddie Hustles. Eddie Hustles on Instagram. Remember, all of this is not financial advice. We're just trading. We're showing you what we're doing. We're going to talk to you back and forth about what we're doing. And yeah, that's where we're at there with that. So, I got chats. I got chats. I got chats. Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't have my chats open. I apologize. Wes, good morning, sir. Good morning. Karen, good morning. Um, we are waiting. We are waiting for the arrival of Eddie so that I can play sidekick again. I am his, and this is only for you old folks. Only you old folks will remember this. I am his Ed Sullivan to his Johnny Carson when it comes here. I am in the background, and I hate to keep showing y'all the back of my head. So let's do something here real quick. Uh, let's do something here real quick. So I'm not showing you the back of my head because I think that's rude. I don't want to be rude. Do something a little different here. Bam. Where's everybody out there from that's watching tonight? I know, Wes, you're out of Jersey. Oh, Karen, you thought that was funny, huh? You thought that was funny, huh? Did you get it though? Do you know Ed Sullivan and Johnny Carson? Because if you do, that means you're in my age range and not Eddie's age range. That's funny. No, on Wednesday nights on the live stream, when we do the Rideshare Garage, which will be on live tonight, 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock Eastern Coast time, 6 o'clock out on the West Coast. Everybody shows up. Eddie driving in style, Jeff Uber Jeep AZ. Come on now, make a difference. Let's go. Get your butt back up. Who else we got? We got the Unbroken Driver, Steven out of LA. We got Kiara Follow Keys Tracks. She is she is our Uber Eats expert. Um, Ron, the rideshare culture. He's out of here in Miami with me. Uh, Jersey. Oh my God, Jersey, 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 Jersey. Kiara's here this morning. Good morning, dear. Anrad. All right, we got Miami in Miami in house. I'm just north of you. Born and raised in Carroll City. If you're from Miami, you know where Carroll City is. They got a new name now, but we know. We know what Carroll City is. Ain't no damn Miami Gardens. They tried to make it nice. You know what they say? You can't change the stripes, man. You can't do it, bro. You just can't do it. Anyway, um, we got Kiara, who's originally from Jersey. Karen, Kiara's originally from Jersey, but I think she's going to be heading back south here pretty quick. She's going to be a little closer to me, a little less closer to you, but y'all both are in there. Born in Jersey, but my soul is in Georgia. Oh God, there's a couple of songs. Uh, Cause I'm heading back home on that midnight train to Georgia. Y'all don't want me singing. I'll shut down the internet if I start singing, especially this morning, a little scratchy. All right, GNU, GNU, GNU. Come on, Genius Brands. Let's go. There is, you guys remember that movie, 2012? Good morning from Orlando. Franklin Santana. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. I'm joking, bro. Don't get upset. I'm trying to carry the show because I don't know where the hell Eddie's at. Eddie! This guy, Eddie, I don't know where he's at. Don't know where he's at. He needs to be here, though. Like, seriously, like, he needs to be here. I mean, I could carry the show. I could carry the show. Anyway, we're waiting. You can see there's my spy. Key, I keep telling y'all, you got no clue. You got no clue. I don't know who this is. This must be off another channel. Knock, knock. That's off my Discord. Or not Discord, that's off my Zello group. You ain't. Hit me up on YouTube, bro. Right now, I'm doing everything on YouTube. YouTube. See ya. All right, we shut that off so no more interruptions. That's like getting that knock on the door at 3 o'clock in the morning. When you're just ready to lay down and put your head to sleep, and you have a person laying next to you, you're done with them, you're giving them the elbow. Hey, move over. I need my room to sleep. So, let's see who this is. Geraldo, is that Geraldo? How can I start trading today? If you can. You're not going to start trading today. You can start learning today. You can start paper trading today. Down below in the descriptions, if you're off Eddie's channel, in the descriptions is the link to Webull. If you're on my channel, in the descriptions are the link to Webull. Download the app. You can sign up. You don't have to put no money in. And once you do that, then you can start to paper trade. You got to paper trade. You got to learn things. You got to learn things. You got to learn. It's a lot to learn. On Basic Trading 101, that channel, I'm going to bring those videos over to this channel. I'm really not using the Basic Trading channel. I'll bring those over here. I'll get those uploaded today, and it'll give you a basic understanding of how to set up Webull, a basic understanding of supply demand, which is support resistance zones, and trend lines. And once you start that, you're in good shape. Once you start understanding those concepts, you'll be in good shape and you can start applying them into to day trading. You already know stocks. What the how you can start what? Oh my god, how can I start trading today? Webull, brother. Hit Webull. If you already know stocks, hit Webull. You can throw a couple bucks in there, 100, 2, 3, 5, 1,000, whatever you feel comfortable with. And there you go. Uh Ricky Bobby. This is one of my guys from Miami down south, a real hoodlum. This is a real one here. Ricky Bobby's a real one. What's going on, buddy? How are you? Good morning. I know I just cut you off the radio, but I don't want the distraction. Oh, let's see what's going on here. Spy's bouncing back up a little bit, as you can see. But here's the thing. Let's see what it wants to do here. Let's throw a little trend line up in here. I don't see anything yet, although it is kind of breaking this little line here. I don't like drawing trend lines that start in pre-market because pre-market is where the big boys play. Most traders can't play there. So my guess is going to be it's going to make a run at this gap right there. It's going to make a run to that gap. If it can break above the gap, we'll probably see some more upside. If it can't break above this gap, it's coming down to 393 today. That's my probability, my rationale for today. I have not made any trades yet. I'm still sitting in this garbage trade. Not happy that I'm sitting in this garbage trade, but I'm sitting in this garbage trade. I listened to a friend of mine, and then when I missed it, I missed it. I was an idiot, and now I'm paying the price for it. Let's get back into the let's see. Uh Bro, you're welcome. If you already know stocks, it's awesome. That's good. I hope we can help you. Listen, we're two rookies. We're rookies. We don't know much. I know I pay bills, but we don't know outside of paying bills. I'm not driving a Lambo. I wouldn't drive a Lambo anyway. I push a Cadillac. I push a Cadillac. I'm a little old school. But I mean, I do pay bills trading, which is awesome. And so welcome to the channel. And hopefully we can help you. I studied finance in college. And I'm sure that's really good. I didn't get the chance to study finance in college. I kind of studied money from a different the opposite end of that. But I mean, I wish you know uh, primary education, primary education. I wish would teach financing to these kids. I wish we would have learned a lot more financing in school. It's sad that I had to learn finances off the street, off the corner as a kid. It's sad that that had to happen that way. Uh, Randy Lee, I'm going live on my channels in the mornings with trading every Monday and Wednesday. Um, Eddie is going live on his channels. We're on his channels every morning, Monday through Thursday. Occasionally a Friday. Friday's a casino day, so it's a little bit tough. I don't want to oversaturate the channel with trading, but listen, here's the schedule. Monday through Friday, I'm trading. My trading goes 9 a.m. to 11 a.m., 11:30. My rideshare driving, my Uber and Lyft driving, it's going to be from 4 o'clock to 10 o'clock Monday through Thursday. Friday and Saturday are my wild card days. I try to schedule and work that around. So there's two aspects to this lifestyle we're living, and it's like Eddie says, man, we're trying to get up out of this rideshare stuff. Let's see, Randy, what else? The XT6 isn't on the website for the cars that apply for higher tier. Yeah, they never did, dude. They never put them on. The XT6 was never listed, but it qualifies. I mean, I've showed you. Well, I don't know how many of my videos you've seen, um, but I've showed you. I get the Lux Black XL, Premier, Lux. They've been lazy with their lists. But then again, they've been lazy with everything, right? The last 2 years, they're not giving drivers any kind of anything. Let's see. Vinny, do you know Mr. Olympia? It's going to be in Florida this year in 2023. I did not know that. Yeah, I know what Mr. Olympia is. It's the bodybuilding. I should go in there. I get it. Kiara could whip me into shape. I get in there. No, the I don't know though. I'll have to check it out, see if it's going to be down here or if it's going to be in Orlando. If it's going to be in Orlando, then I'm not going to mess with it. If it's down here, I don't know, bro. They might not be able to get into the XT6. They might all need dump trucks or something like that to fit. And some big boys, man, and ladies. The ladies are big too. There's two sides to that competition. All right, Kiara has finally got her book done. So if you're an Uber Eats, DoorDash, um, driver, you do deliveries, you're going to want to get this ebook from Kiara. Tonight, we will link it up, make an official little debut on the ebook. If she's game, we'll put it on the live stream tonight. Let her talk about it, and we'll get the links out there so you guys that are into delivery and DoorDash. I was watching Pedro, Pedro DoorDash last night. Watched one of his videos. Actually, I watched several videos last night when I got home. And all right, what's the market doing here? Market's not doing anything. It's already made its move, so can't do nothing with it. If Eddie was here, he'd be right now bumping up against this. Oh, wait a minute. Nope. I got to get to the right chart. Let me bring the VWAP back. Bim. Nope. Eddie wouldn't be doing anything right now because on the 5-minute chart, it's right on top of VWAP. It hasn't broken out or gone away yet. What was we talking about? Kiara's throwing the muscles up. San Francisco Bay Area homes dropped 30%. Bro, we're seeing it here too. Not on the water. Even during 2008, 2009, housing prices on the water did not drop. But housing prices inland did drop. Look who decided to show up.
Hey, hey,
Look
hey!
who decided to show
I
up.
am balancing life in between ride sharing and trading. Ooh, yeah, I know. I'll make it up. This is why I'm doing this for everybody else, so they know what I'm actually trying to do here. Hey, hey, welcome. Let's make this fake money.
Bro, I was trying to carry the show. I don't know how good I did, but uh okay, hold on a minute. So you're not on with Eddie today. Yeah, I'm on with Eddie, bro. Randy, Eddie was out there making a McDonald's coffee 293 delivery for 12 miles on Uber Eats shared. So he decided to make that 293 instead of having his hind parts here and ready to go. But he's here now. He's here now, bro. Look at this guy. Look at this guy.
I have to. Dude, I'm doing my best. I need the ride sharing money to. So as long as I can keep funding this, and that's why I have like a uh,
I think
people
you
can
just broke
donate
my
money
monitor.
too. The faster I
I
get
think you
there,
just
then
broke. I think you just broke one of my monitors. I had you on the big screen, bro. Now all of a sudden it's flickering. It's like anyway. I'm just answering questions. I was
yeah,
looking at the
me.
market. Listen, I am waiting for SPY to break down to 293. I've already explained it to everybody that's watching. Eddie, if you're interested in what I had to say, you can watch the replay later today and see what I was saying because you were late.
Yeah. What were you talking about early on today?
No, I'm just waiting to see SPY, man. I think SPY is going to come down. We're going to hit that 393. I think that's what's going to happen. You got a lot of earnings today. The only one that I'm concerned with, I mean, you see what happened to Microsoft? Microsoft had their earnings. Their earnings were great, and then all of a sudden they bombed because of their outlook. I wish Microsoft would bomb. I wish Microsoft would go to zero. So Bill Gates has to go.
Oh
Bill Gates
wow.
has to actually do some work.
Well, overall, Microsoft has been doing. Let me see. Oh, they're like everybody else. It's tanking even. It's tanking pretty
All
low.
right.
All right,
So
here we go. 2 minute. Um, there we go. It passed the level. I needed to close under this. I had a line here for the low. Yesterday's low was can't see 305.
what are you talking about?
I think this is the line. I'm sorry. It's just I drew lines um while
Well,
I was out.
we can't see because you don't have it up.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
We need to have it up, bro. We need to have it up, bro. You got to get your screen some Viagra. Let's go. Let's go. This is not a commercial for Viagra. We do not endorse Viagra. But sometimes you need a little help in life.
Okay, I think you guys are seeing it now. Yep. So I have this little red line here, which I believe it was, I put it red because it was yesterday's low.
Uh,
Or
uh.
the previous day's low. I'm not exactly sure what it was.
Hey, remember how we were just talking about Microsoft?
Uh-huh.
My buddy Ricky Bobby just sent me a little news track here. Thousands of users reported problems with Teams, Outlook, and the Azure cloud computing service and Xbox Live for online. Oh, bro. Do you know what would happen if Xbox Live went down? Y'all think we had riots in the past, or I'm sorry, peaceful protests in the past. Could you imagine all these 17, 16, 15-year-old pink and blue haired gamers who can't play their Xbox? Bro, bro, make Ukraine and Russia look like a playground fight between toddlers. They would tear everything. You take away online gaming, the what is it? Generation Z will lose their damn minds.
Where
A lot
is
of
my?
glitches, Eddie. A lot of glitches in the world, brother.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Well,
Ricky Bobby.
it's just the mess up of a lifetime.
Eddie, Eddie, Wes has
Hold
a
on, I'm trying to buy my put, but I can't buy my put because I actually don't have my options. Here it is.
I don't know what you're waiting on there, Hoss. I'm loaded.
Options.
I've got my
Op-
options loaded up, just letting you know. And there she goes. Time to grab them. Bam! What do you
okay,
mean invalid option, dude?
options,
What the hell are
and
you talking about?
then I'm going to buy my calls just in case. Okay, great. Now here we go.
What? Why is it telling me invalid option? What am I doing wrong here?
Okay, this is not working out. Hold on.
All right, Webull is messing up, bro. As much as I love Webull lately, bro, it's been messing up on me.
Remove. Oh my God, this is such a pain. Okay, spy. There we go. Now, I think I just missed this one. I surely just meant this put. Technically, I'm right under it. The break of 394. What was this low here? The low of 395.24. Okay, let's see the pullback, and then I'm gonna get back into it, into my put. Here's my put. All right, let's make this money. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna buy my two puts. And I am, where is it? Is it showing? There you go. I'm in on my two puts. Look, my position is not showing again.
I'm telling you, there's something going on with Webull's paper trading. You know what? Let me see if there's an update. Let me go check my updates. Uh, well, it's already. Let me clear the cache. All caches.
There it
The hell
goes
is all
again.
this?
I just want to catch my 5 to 10% and then I am out.
Oh man, what did I just do?
seven,
Oh man, I
seven
fucked up. Oh,
percent,
I messed
seven
up.
percent, seven,
Meanwhile, Eddie's making all the money here.
seven, 8, 9%, 10. There we go. Selling the bid. Sell your little bastard. Sell. Poof. Okay. There we go. Now here comes the problem. I'm still early in the day, 8:57. So, okay, so keep my trading to an hour. I'm gonna go like this. Okay. I'm up for the day because
Mm-hmm.
it's a lot easier to make money during the day. And I'm just gonna wait for it to either pull back or I'm gonna do absolutely nothing for the next
Mm-hmm.
45 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sorry, Wes, man. I'm I was trying to make this money. Man, it's just there's other people. I gotta record my videos, so I have to be out there working. Because then it won't be authentic. If I'm not, people are gonna know. If I'm lying, it's like, oh, I wasn't really driving today. I was just like doing circles. Just so I can catch some video, some B-roll. So I just go out there, I drive, I make the videos, and I'm trying to balance ride sharing and doing this stuff. So and day trading, but it's a pain. It's a pain because I want to learn this, but I need to make money ride sharing too. But sooner or later, it's going to be the opposite, right? That's the idea, the opposite. I'm going to leave it ride sharing behind, and I'm going to do this full time. Ooh, $500 a day keeps the job away.
It does. It does. It does. Bro, Miss Karen thought I was funny. They thought I was funny. I wasn't funny. All right. We need crypto guys telling rideshare guys how to do it. Right
Yeah,
now,
we
the only thing I would do with crypto, because I've been in cryptocurrency since 2015. The only thing I would do with crypto is I tell you guys the same thing I tell everybody every time. Every time. Don't be afraid to open up a little Coinbase account because that's the safest way to buy your crypto. They're the longest in the business. Don't mess with Binance. Don't mess with anything outside of the states. Anyway, set yourself up a buy order, a recurring buy order. Buy $10 worth of Bitcoin every 2 weeks, $20 worth of
Ooh,
Bitcoin every 2 weeks. I don't care what the price is. Don't worry about it. You're only buying $10, $20 at a time.
I need to change this.
If you're gonna throw down and buy a whole Bitcoin at 22,000, then I might say, hey, let's ease into that. But just start buying crypto every 2 weeks, every month, once a month, twice a month, $10, $20 a month. That's it. That's it. That's it. And that's all you want to buy. You don't want to buy nothing else. Right now, you don't want to buy nothing else. Be, get used to it. Use crypto, use Bitcoin like they use gold, and keep going for it. Mm. Eddie, let's
VWAP
see.
bounce, baby. VWAP bounce.
How much do
Oh,
you guys make with trading? Give me some info. I'm barely trying to keep up with you guys. Mr. Ricardo, how you doing this morning, buddy? Um, you know that it's oof. How much do you make with trading? Well, I pay bills. So, at the end of every month I pull money out and I pay bills and I usually start my account with, at least, anywhere from 250 to 500 every month fresh. And I do manage to pull a fair amount out for I don't want to tell you how much I make because it's unrealistic for somebody new getting into this to expect to make that kind of money. Right now, you guys, we're trying to show you, teach you some very novice basics. As Eddie would say, green line over orange line over green line. That's his way of trading, and it works. But if you hit me up in an email or a DM or hit Eddie up, we'll try to answer that question a little better for you. But I don't want to sit here and like blow smoke
Well,
or anything like that?
my idea. I mean, it all depends. So right now I'm going by percentage wise. So on my positions, I try to make 10%. All right, and if I need to make a certain amount of money every month, then I'm gonna go by that percentage. Hence, example. Let's say I just made $38 and that was about 10%. All I need to do is just multiply the amount of income, the amount of money that I use to make my 10%, and then I just keep duplicating that $38. So I can make that $38 380 um, by just using more money. And then again, how much money, more money, then that all depends. I'm gonna try to get in here again. I'm gonna try to get in here. Okay, I'm gonna buy two. I'm buying two call options, 390 394 put option, 394 put option. I needed to break that 394.22, and it's not doing it. It's not doing it. It's not doing it. Am I in? Yeah, I'm actually in. Positions. Hold on. This is my account. This is the only way I could see it. Come on. It's not going. It's not going. It's not going. I'm selling. I'm out. I don't like it.
You don't like what?
I don't like how it's not playing out in my favor. Sell too. Okay, great. So, where is he? Is he still here? Kind of.
Who's that?
No, the person that actually asked that question. That's because that goes through my mind all the time. Um, how much money do I need to make? But it all depends on how much money I want to invest. Oh, this is it. Wait, hold on.
All right, we are going to we're gonna make a little run. Eddie,
Which
we're gonna,
info?
huh?
He
Oh,
says,
the Webull info. The Webull info. I guess I don't. I got to remember this is a live stream, so my default uploads don't load up into this the way I want it to.
so yeah, this is why I got out. It's because every time it doesn't do it when I want it to, like this 390, where is it? This 394 level here. Damn it. That low of 394.22, I was expecting it to break right here and keep going. That's why I got in, and it didn't. And I
Mhm.
was like, you know what? I'm freaking out. Every single time it does it. So I only lost a couple of dollars. But yeah, VWAP bounce, and right now what I'm waiting for is uh waiting for it to come back. It's just there's something wrong with my chart. EMA and my VWAP, but my VWAP is all the way up at the top here. Look at what he's doing. It's a squiggly, squiggly line. You see, watching, you're looking at that? A squiggly, squiggly line? Like, what the hell is going on?
Oh man, Eddie, you're a trip, dude.
See this?
Oh, you're a
Squiggly,
trip.
squiggly. I don't know what that is. And I'm on the right. I'm on the 2 minute. So overall, the market. Okay, so again, for anybody that got in here that's new, my 200 indicates a direction that the market might be moving for me. And then I used my orange or yellow. I wait for my green to cross into in this case, I'm expecting it to go to the downside. So I want my orange line, my green line, which is my EMA, my 9 EMA, to cross over to the downside. And that's when I make my purchase, which is right over here. Okay. It passed this point, this low right here. And I just sold it right here for a quick 10% or 9. So it's called scalping right there, Vinny. Scalping.
Scalping, scalp. Yeet.
And then I'm just going to wait for it to do it again. I'm going to wait for it to just do it again.
I like
Um,
when these contracts came back too.
this is, what do you think? It's gonna go up to the 200 and then come back down? And I really just don't like it.
Might be a fake push in the market. You gotta watch the manipulation.
Well, technically,
All right, so Mr. Ricardo, I don't know if you read that comment. He says, I keep up with you guys all the time when it comes to ride sharing, but with this trading, it seems so confusing. That's why I say I'm gonna upload Ricardo, I'm gonna upload some videos that I had when I started making this other trading channel. And it will help you kind of understand how to set up a chart. And by setting up the chart, understanding two basic concepts, trend lines and support resistance lines, and you can ease your way into this. And by downloading those Webull apps, whether it be on a desktop or on your mobile, you can paper trade, which means no money. It's you can set yourself up on that, and you can start to kind of play with it, investing. What Eddie and I are doing is day trading, which is a very bang bang type situation. But
in and out.
I have another account with TD Ameritrade where I've got stocks in there I've been holding since 2015 as well. I don't touch them. So just something to be aware of. There's a lot. Uber drivers should at some point start investing in something, whether it's stocks or crypto. You're going to need long-term residuals. And the best type of stocks to invest in, believe it or not, are stocks that are going to generate passive income, which they call them dividend stocks. So we'll do, Eddie, we should do a little we should
The
do a little
dogs of the Dow strategy. Ever heard of the
yeah.
dogs of the Dow?
Yep.
The dogs of the Dow strategy. That's my strategy. You pick the 10 of the best dividend income companies and you reinvest in those. It doesn't matter where they are. They always pay dividends. And then every year you take your least performing one, okay? You sell all those shares and you put it into the next best one that performs. I believe Warren Buffett does it that way. The
Well,
dogs of the Dow.
there are a number of ways to invest in trade stocks. Day trading is not for everybody, and it takes a
Nope.
while to get used to it and learn them. This is something that you got to work at and you got to learn. I want two of these suckers. What
But
the flip?
what I really wanted to do was basically have a trading account under my business name. This way, I can grow it to a certain amount and get dividend income from that from those stocks. That's under my business account, and then I can still pay myself with the business, but my business generates income. Diversifying my income in between whatever else I have in there. This one, it has to do with driving, so it has to do with driving. I just got to talk to my CPA to make sure that I'm doing it. I'm doing it right because
Mhm.
I don't think I can. I don't think I can have a trading account under my business. I don't know. I gotta see. I have the account open, but I just haven't traded in it yet. But I just want to make sure that if I do it, I do it right. This way, the company actually makes money, through dividend income and anything else that I put in there.
You
Um,
can. Yeah, you gotta talk to your accountant, but yes, you can your company can have an investment. You can have investments, every company does, so, Kiara says, "I think my dad does that dividend thing." That's awesome. That dividend thing, Eddie. It's just a dividend thing. He's been
yeah.
getting checks in the mail from
Dividend.
McDonald's
Now,
since I was
dividend, you have to be doing it for a long time. Putting money in there, putting money in there, putting money in there.
Well,
Um,
you didn't hear what Kiara just said?
yeah,
She
he's
said
been
her
doing it
dad's
for a
been
long
getting
time.
yeah, since she was in diapers, so that's like 3 years ago. So he's been
Yeah.
getting dividend checks for about 3 years now.
Since she was in
Love you,
diapers,
Key.
that was like 3 years ago.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah.
I say that, Kiki. He said that.
Love you, Key. Love you, Key. Oh, man. Oh,
Kiki, hit me up this weekend, so we could do that affiliate.
bro,
By the way, I'm gonna be
bro, you
talking.
missed it, bro. You missed it, bro.
What I miss? What I miss?
You missed it, bro. As usual, Eddie was late. It's all, but I get the fault. Hey,
Yes,
Kiara
I gotta
called me
blame
up.
it on somebody.
Kiara called me Kiki called me a whole fool. No, I'm just a half a fool. It's early yet. I'm finishing my coffee. I'll be the other half of the fool in about 5 minutes when I go get my Coca Cola. Um, Kiara, she has finished her ebook. We're gonna do the launch tonight
Ooh.
on the Rideshare Garage, the live podcast tonight, talking all things rideshare, and we're gonna have a better script tonight. I got a
Okay, here we
couple
go.
things we want to do. Three-quarter fool. Hey, baby. But
Okay, here
Kiara
we
has
go.
her ebook finished. For anybody out there doing Uber Eats, DoorDash delivery, she's got you. She's got you.
Okay, I
She's
just
got
bought again
ebook.
two options. Two options. I bought two, three, 94 options. Come on, break, break, break. No, it's not doing it. See what I mean? All right,
Well, I hate to tell you, I'm in two puts, two 393 strike puts today. Um,
this
I
is
am
my.
in at 46 cents a piece right now. I am even money. I'm down four
See this
dollars.
this red candle right here. Where is it? This is my previous candle on my. Oh, this is my 1 minute. Here it goes. Okay, I'm looking at my 1 minute on my other.
By the way,
I'm expecting it to break this line and go under.
I'm in my Sally shirt today, and tonight we're gonna debut the Rideshare Garage T-shirts. Rideshare Garage is gonna have some merch. You guys make sure you follow us tonight, 9 o'clock on the East Coast, 6 o'clock on the West Coast. Y'all got to come on. Kiara says, Eddie, do you know how she can make her ebook available for everyone? She got to have a store set up first, right?
Oh, there we go. And it broke to the downside, and I am selling right here. How much am I up? Where's my account? Hold on. Yeah, 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 yeah.
All right, hold on a minute, Randy. I'm gonna get you a question in a minute.
All right, hold on. Okay.
I
All right, I sold.
am
Now, what was that? What was that question? Oh, how can she make it available for everyone? That is a. Let me see. Samcart. Is a good. Actually, that's what I use for everything that I sell. Samcart. So, Samcart is basically like a store. Basically, people click on it and it goes to your store, and uh, you can have your price set and it automatically collects, and then they get you upload the PDF to Samcart. So when they load, they can automatically download the PDF, and you can also give it discounts there, and or let's say you can also give refunds. Another thing too is that uh, you can give it to somebody for free by just making like a discount code and be like, hey, this discount code, but Samcart. There is a fee for Samcart. I'm not exactly sure what it is right now because I don't look at it. I just let people order, but you could do it that way. We'll talk about it this weekend.
all right, Eddie. Eddie, Eddie. Are we gonna break down
Yes.
below this? Are we gonna break down below this trend line that it
Eh,
flipped?
I don't
I
know,
am
but
up.
I am up.
I'm, yeah, I am too, bro. I'm up 37% right now on these
I
two
took
puts.
I took my trade. I took my trade. Okay. I don't know. This is the 2 minute. Anticipating the break right here of my line. Okay, and it broke down to the downside, and I made my money on this. My account is right back up to 48. Two options, puts. How much did they cost me? 153. 153, sold it at 164. So $300 investment. Um,
Go ahead. I want to hear your number. $300 investment.
no, no, it was more than that because I traded twice.
Come on. Chop chop. Bro, you gotta get quicker on these numbers, homie.
Hold
Gotta
on.
get quicker on these numbers, homie. You gotta get quicker. Do you think rideshare drivers will ever have super and hypercars one day? I see
Yes.
all the YouTubers have it. Supercars? Hypercars? I'm not sure what he's talking
I'm
about.
not sure about hypercars, but uh, a
What
rideshare.
the hell is
Yeah, it
this?
all depends what you do with the money.
Are you
I
talking
mean,
like what he did?
no, I think what he means that like make it out of ride sharing and then buying all these expensive. Oh, but by the way, be aware that a lot of these people that do YouTubes with the really expensive cars, they just rent them out
No, no, no.
just to make a
Yeah,
video on
that's it.
it.
That's it.
If you talk to some of the owners that own the cars and they rent them out on Turo to make money out of them, it's just
Mhm.
kids. They just rent out the cars just to make a video on it and be like, oh, or they're about to get on a private jet to go somewhere. I'm sorry. They go to the airport so they can record themselves in a private jet, pretending they're about to get in there. But it's just hype. It's just them just spending, just making a video.
That reminds me, bro. I need to make a short real quick. I need to make a short real quick. Okay? I need to make a short real quick. We're gonna make a short real quick with Eddie on the mic.
And you know what I'm gonna do right now? You know what I'm gonna do right now?
I have no idea, bro, but I'm gonna make a short real quick.
I'm gonna do this. Ooh, I know what I'm gonna call this.
Every
Damn
we are
it. Hold
we are
on.
getting money. We are hold on, bro. I'm making my short, man. Don't interrupt me, bro.
Oh, I'm
We
sorry.
interrupted and wasted 6 seconds. Check us out live. Hit the link below.
What's
Oh, I'm gonna let everybody hear how this came out. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on.
That's gonna be a funny part though.
And we are up and we are getting this money. Jesus Christ, hold on. People can't just leave me alone, dude. Wasted 6 seconds. Check the link below. Hold on. I got to do that again because goddamn text messages. I keep saying I'm gonna put my
Oh,
phone
that's
in
not
airplane
fair.
mode, but
That's not fair. I'm gonna do one too.
every morning we are up and we are getting this money. We are hold on, bro. I'm making my short, man. Don't interrupt me, bro. See, he interrupted and wasted 6 seconds. Check us out live. Hit the link below. There you go. That's going to be a good little YouTube short. I might put that on Instagram too, dude. I might have to put that on Instagram too. Now, what was that, Eddie? I'm so sorry, y'all. Hey, we're just having some
No,
fun here.
if I came out, well, if it was on speaker, it would have come out right. It would have come out nice, actually.
But I can't do that because if I turn my I got a sound bar, dude. I don't have speakers. I got a sound bar for my production computer, right? But when I do that, you get the echo. Kind of sounds like you're in the bathroom, when you go to the bathroom, you don't want nobody to know, but they know because you got the echo chamber going in the bathroom, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
Echo,
yeah.
echo. So I got to keep
Ho-
the headphones on, bro.
Hold on. So if I record the video and I'm gonna keep it short, then it automatically goes in there as a short.
Huh?
If I record, because it doesn't. Back in the day, I used to have an option that says record a short video, but now I
Oh,
don't.
I don't know. Kiara's the social media expert. She needs to do a class on social media. That's her next book. Her next book needs to be social media. We're putting a lot of pressure on you, Key, but you can handle it. You're young. You just got out of diapers. All right, Eddie, where you at? Where you at? Where you at? What you doing?
Right now, I'm recording. All right, I'm day trading live on the Watch Me Lose My Money, getting out of ride sharing. All right, and doing this. Let's make this money.
He's lying. All right. Did you guys hear about the shooting? Dude, out there in Cali, man, you guys are having some problems, bro. Y'all got some problems. It's 3 shootings in 4 days, bro. And that's just the ones they're reporting on. Cuz we get shootings down here every day down in Miami. And I know Mr. Brandon loves me going to Miami. He wants to see me go to Miami, bro. It's not Chirac, but Miami's rough, dude. Miami's rough. You get caught in the wrong part of town. Pow pow. But yeah, I saw it, Randy. I don't know what's going on out there, bro. Something in the water. Something in the water, homie.
Yeah,
All
would you
right.
believe that? Has got to be something, man.
I am still up 24% on my contracts in at 46. Current price right now is 57. 393 strike puts. That's where I'm at. And I am looking to see them go. Go. I see another break. I told you when we started the live stream today, I was hunting 393 on SPY. Hunting 393 on SPY.
Damn.
Damn.
Okay, let's go public with this thing. And then how do I put
Bro, you better link me in your damn YouTube video. I mean
I'm
in
I'm
your
try I'm
Instagram
try
video, 'cause
I
if you
just gotta
don't,
go to I gotta go to my clipboard.
bro, if you don't, I'm gonna grab my guy, my computer hacker, and we're gonna hack your account. And then if I gotta hack your account, I'm gonna pull a Brandon on you like what Brandon did to us.
Damn. Okay, hold on. I need to put a description in here. But how do I put description?
What are you doing? YouTube short or IG account?
No, the YouTube short, I think it's like 13 seconds long, so it should go as short.
Well, I'm gonna tag your ass again. We are getting this money. We are right. Hold on, bro. I'm making my short, man. Don't interrupt me, bro. See, he interrupted and wasted 6 seconds. Check us out live. Hit the link below. Oh my god. Okay. Let me put the text in here. What's going on? See, I can sit here and chill on these contracts, y'all, because I see
I
the
can't.
direction. I can see the direction. I'm not a nervous wreck. I
I am
waited.
nervous.
I saw the setup. I jumped in. We're bouncing down off Eddie's VWAP. I'm hunting 393 on these contracts today. I'm looking to. I've got two contracts in at 46. So I'm what's that? 46, 46. What's that? $92 in, right? That's $92. 40, 40 is 80. Another 12 is 92. I'm in for 92. I'm sitting at 116 on my money right now. This is like two Uber Eats and a Shorty XL. And it didn't cost me no gas. I didn't have to leave my house.
What do you think? It's gonna break that 394 again? It's 924. So it's an I'm done. Oh damn! What's his name from Fast and the Furious? Not Dwayne
Who, Dom?
Johnson. The character's name that
Dom?
Dom. The Dom effect.
My friend, welcome to Brazil. Bro, that might have been the best line out of all of them. When they go down there, when Johnson shows up down, when The Rock shows up down there in Brazil, and he's like, I gotta take you back. And Dom says, this is Brazil.
Oh yeah, yeah. Okay. When he went to get him. Okay. Oh, this okay.
Yes, bro.
Video trading. Hold on. Cyber. Okay, my you. Wow, I gotta like. These are all the notes that I take. All the notes that I take. Every time I'm doing something, I take notes. You know how many blogs I can write?
No, how many blogs can you write?
I don't know. I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 21. And that's not including the subs that are right under it. Oh,
All
oh.
right. Bro,
Look,
I just
three,
tagged
three,
you on my Instagram. Just letting you know.
what I
See that
want
money? It's coming to
to
me, bro. See that money's coming to me, bro. It's coming to me now. It's coming to me. Coming to me, bro.
day trading. Oh, here we go. Day trading. Oh, these are my day trading do. Identify trends, mark support and resistance, identify trends, reversal zones. So I'm
The only
taking notes little by little.
What are you taking notes on? What are you taking notes on?
I always take notes. So if I'm doing something right with trading, I'll write it down.
Ah, I got you. I got you.
So if I keep doing like right now, now my next rule is keep everything in the first hour. because in the first hour it always goes the direction that I want it to go, that I'm predicting it's gonna go, and I catch a quick 10%, and then that is all.
Okay. It's a good rule to have. It's a
Okay,
good rule to have. Yeah, 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 yeah. I feel
and
you.
it
Good rule to
is
have.
all when the hold on, I need to go to my chart.
Go to your charts. Go to your charts, Eddie. Go to your charts.
When my green line crosses the orange line, the red it's on top, so I'm assuming everything is going to be pushing to the downside. I don't know if to give it a little bit more perspective, kind of like Vinny does, draw my lines.
You have to draw your lines, homie. You
Okay,
need your support and resistance lines.
so
You should not,
this,
time out. Write this down in your notes. Write this down in your notes. Okay, you ready? Dear diary, dear diary, never trade without support and resistance lines already on your chart. Because you got to know your price action, bro. Price action is going to be something you got to learn. You got to learn price action. But without support resistance, you can't do it. All right. Can't wait for the rideshare podcast tonight. Randy, we're getting hype in this mug, man. I'm feeling it today. I heard Steph Curry lost a lot of money on FTX. I hope he did. I don't like that little. I don't like him anyway. He's a great shooter though. That dude can flat out. He can flat out shoot. But personally, I don't like him. But and that's tough because I like Draymond Green. I like his attitude, man. His attitude is real. Steph Curry's a little snowflake. Anyway, but yeah, him, Tom Brady, all those athletes that bought into FTX got their asses handed to them. Kara said, "Did you take that note, Eddie? Never trade without support resistance lines. Did you get that?
yep, I have my support resistance. See my little line right here? It was my previous day's low, and look, that's how I made my trade. Because
Okay.
on my 2 minute in the beginning, it crossed to the downside, and look, it was coming right up to that line, and I said I want to see what it does to it. Here it did it, and it touched it. So I was like, ooh, that's a good sign. So I got out because it came right back up,
Hmm.
and here it came, and then here it was coming again, and then boom, I made my purchase. It did one, two, 10%. I think I got my 10% like right here. I think it was 10%
Okay.
like right here or
Okay.
somewhere around here, and then that was it. I was out, and look what it did shortly after. It came right back up.
Yep. But you see how it's following that trend line right down. It's
But
following
look,
your trend line right down. So
but the reason why I don't follow, I mean, I do put, I mean, I know my trend lines and I know how to put them, but I'm following my strategy, which is the VWAP bounce. Um,
of course,
it's
but you
bouncing
still
off my VWAP,
of
kind
course, but
of.
you still gotta know, you
That's why I
still
don't like the
want to
squiggly.
know you still got to know what the overall trend is doing. It's good to have the VWAP. The way you're trading is perfect, but you still need to be able to see the trend line.
Look at this. And he came right up to my line again. And with the line, I have my previous day's low right here, and it's coming right back down. And I feel like taking the trade right now. I do really, oh, I feel like taking the trade.
See, and I'm just sitting here chilling in the trade while you're going through all that emotional strife. I'm just sitting here in the trade, just letting my money work, just letting it work.
But
And there's
it
nothing
is.
wrong with the way you do it. No, there's nothing wrong with the way you do it, bro. You're spot on. I'm just
But I'm
saying,
not gonna do it.
you're not
Like
gonna do
right
what?
now, I'm not gonna do it because you see what I mean? See what I mean? So usually my confirmation would be like touch it, and then I need like a candle on the candle.
So
Okay.
maybe you don't. So maybe you don't work a 9 minute EMA, yeah, maybe you don't work the nine bar EMA. Maybe you work the 20 bar EMA. Something to practice with
Let me see. Nine.
because
Let me
you got to eliminate the noise. See, now
nine,
this is starting to break to the upside. So
20, and 50. Okay, so now let's do this. 9, 20. Hold on. Let's make my 20 a little pretty color. Purple. All
let me
right.
check your
And
VWAP here.
and then I'm gonna do my 200, which is always gonna be red. 50 EMA.
Volume is okay. It's Wednesday. It's not a lot of volume. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Come on down to daddy.
Red, yellow, green. Okay, great, great.
You got it set? You got it set?
I think so. I
Well, let
think
me know
so.
when you got it set, and we'll debut it. I'll give you a drum roll.
20.
Brrrr.
Oh
That's
no.
the
Okay.
first snap.
Let's do it this way. So, green, blue, and red. Wait, let me
Green,
change
blue,
this.
and red. Playing with these pretty colored, playing with all these pretty colors. Remember your brother. Red, yellow, blue, primary colors.
But
Remember your brother. Red, yellow, blue, primary colors. That's the way they taught us in school. It's
not
completely random, has absolutely nothing to do with nothing right now.
anyway. Yeah, 20 is right above the green. I mean, these are kind of like other indicators that you could put in there, but to keep it simple,
Mhm.
to keep it
Eddie, I'm
simple.
about to blow your mind here, bro. I'm about to blow your mind here, bro. I want you to see something, dude. I want
What
you to see
the
no.
channel.
So here's my Webull chart, my desktop, okay? Here's my Webull desktop, okay? I want you if you go into your option chain
Wait, hold on,
and go
hold on,
look at
hold
the
on.
if you just go to your option chain.
Uh-huh.
I
I'm
don't know if
going
they
right
can
now.
see this on the screen, but on the left side are all my calls, on the right side are all the puts, right? The contracts that I'm in right now, right? They are up 533% on the day
And it
from
costs you
close to this.
54. Is that right?
Right now, I'm in at 46. It's up 500 well, now up 550% from yesterday's close on these option contracts. These contracts started at like 9 cents this morning.
Also, you put it at
I
nine
waited.
cents.
No, I did not. No, 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 no. I'm only up 41% right now. I'm only up $38 on my $92 investment. But remember, I told you I'm hunting 393 and I'm in 393. If they hit, if we get another, if SPY breaks 394, below 394, is a strong chance these 393 contracts are going to be up around $80, $90
Nope.
a piece.
It broke the low.
I told you, bro. Hunting 393, bro. So now we're up to me making money like on a, we're almost at an XL ride to Fort Lauderdale, a Lux ride to Fort Lauderdale. Sitting in my Sally shirt from my guy at Money Sportswear.
Yeah, I am not taking any more trades. That's it. I am done for today. I am done. I'm
So
not messing this thing up right now. Because yesterday I did it and I was up and I kept trading and I lost it.
you
It's
gotta know,
better when I do it in the
yeah,
beginning of the
you
day.
gotta know when to say when, bro. You gotta know when to say when.
So $48. So then if I would have tripled my I mean sorry, if I would have put one what would that be? If I wanted to have 48 be 480,
Mhm.
I would have had to invest.
3 grand.
Let me see. Let's do some simple math here. I'm gonna go post this video.
Eddie, remember what I told you about this? The volume profile?
Uh-huh.
Look at those rapid gap downs. Look at those rapid gap downs. See that
Hold on,
gap
where
in
are
there?
you?
Right here.
No, no, I
We're at
don't see you.
394.11. If we breaks down, look what could happen, bro. If it breaks down into this gap, these contracts may now be worth about 150 bucks a piece. That's one.
So $48 investment.
Um, well, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. So we're gonna make this one a green one because that's a clear indication to get my happy ass out of these contracts. Because remember, these are day contracts, so
All right.
day
Well,
contracts.
I'm gonna go into my see. I'm trying to set up my YouTube so it automatically preloads these things in there, but it's not like doing it. And I have it set up. I have it set up so every time I load a video, it's supposed to. Oh, look at it! Keep going. It just breaks that level. It just dies.
I
It just
told you,
dies.
bro.
What I'm done. Look, I'm done trading for today. I made 48 bucks.
Okay. Good job. Good job. $48 to the plus. 10%. I'm up 84. I'm up 93% on my contracts right now. Eliminate the noise, homie. You got to eliminate the noise, bro. You got to eliminate the noise.
Let me
I'm up
see.
$86 right now. $94.
Select.
Keep coming. Keep coming. Up 102%. Let your runners run. I am going to take one of these out right now. Bam. I am selling one right now, trying to get out. Take my profits.
Day trading with Uber drivers using the Webull trading platforms.
That's my
Didn't you?
description.
Yeah.
I set that all up today. I set that all
Woo!
up today, bro.
And then I'm gonna put here. I'm gonna put here at Vini. There we go.
Still sitting in one contract. I got that contract out at that contract filled at 88 cents. So I was in for 46, got out at 88, 100%.
Oh, it can
46.
be monetized while I'm live. I just have to
Yes,
put
you
it.
can. You have to be here on time to set it all up.
Oh, okay. I'm so sorry.
Now,
Yep. So watch me
I
lose
can
my
only
money.
set up so much.
Watch me lose my money day trading. Woo! All right. Now I just gotta keep doing this every morning, as long as I'm consistent with it. Oh, I was gonna do my math here.
Bro, contracts are up 811% from yesterday. Oh, all right. I sold one of my contracts, bro. I sold one of my contracts at 88. So it cost me 46 bucks. I cashed out for 88 bucks on the one contract. So that's pretty
Buy
good.
sell.
What's that?
Okay.
42 dollars. And I'm still sitting in another contract right now that's up 80%. It's up $37.
189 times 2 equals
Ain't nobody got time for that.
378, and then add plus 153. Okay, so it's 684, and I'm at $48.
You invested 684 and you made 48 bucks. So what's that
So
like?
I made like 12%.
Wait a minute. You invested how much?
684,
And you made how much?
48.
It's like 8%. 10% of 684 would be
Oh, that's
6,800.
right. 684.
Come on, bro.
Well,
Oye, man.
I'm using the calculator.
Oye, man. None of that
684.
Puerto Rican math here, bro. This is straight American capitalism.
So 648. Look, 648 divided by. No, it's not coming out right. Oh, correct. Correct. You're correct. 0.07. So
Oh,
7%.
that's still damn good.
Yeah,
That's damn good.
at
Anything over 3,
5%.
4% is great, especially in a stifled market. I'm looking at volume today. Volume sucks.
So That means
Volume's
that I would
terrible.
take 684 and times 10, which will be $6,084. I would have needed to invest to make 480 for the day.
Well,
So I will put at risk $6,084.
hey, Kiara saw the little video I shot. She's riding with Eddie Hustles. She saw the video. She saw. Thank you, Kiki. I love your support, sweetheart. I love everybody's support.
Yeah,
Oh
this,
man,
by the way, this is not trading advice. We are just having fun.
look who showed up,
Oh,
Brandon.
the Chicago Locks. Hey, Brendan, watch. I bet you Brendan's gonna start getting into this too.
Listen, he's got his investments locked up
Yeah,
in the trading cards, bro, in the trading card stuff. You know, the Final Fan. No, I don't want to disrespect him because I know it means something to him. The I don't know, one of them kind of cards that are worth a ton of money.
talking about like the Pokemon cards,
Huh?
the Pokemon
No, it's
cards.
not Pokemon, bro. Oh my god. Bro, he's gonna light you up tonight on the show. Don't forget the show, Rideshare Garage. Later tonight.
Yep, at 8 p.m.
You can catch us on like 5 different channels, bro. Like Restream. Restream has been the I gotta give Brandon credit for this. You know, Restream
Brendan's
was the right
idea.
way to
Yeah,
go. Yeah, Brandon's idea, you know, it was the way to go. Um, Kiara, the soundboard was all your idea. This is what I mean about teamwork, dude. This is what I mean
yeah,
about teamwork. When we go live on Wednesday nights, we are streaming out to 5 or 6 different channels at a time. And all of us are there. All of our viewers can come together and create this community, bro. That's what's so great about it. That's what's so great about it. I love community. I don't like socialism. Fuck that. But I like community. Everybody helping everybody. But you keep your bread, I'll keep my bread, and we keep it moving. But if you need me, Eddie, if you need me, lean on me
that's
when
right.
you're not strong, and I'll be your friend. Anyway, I just broke the internet and broke my microphone, my $180 Elgato mic. What we are going to buy if we have 1,000? That yeah. See, I don't want to answer that question. It really comes down to. I'll tell you what I trade, and I'll
Dividends, dividend inc, dividend
yeah,
stocks, dividend
dividend
stocks.
income. Yep, yep. Utilities. You know, slow growth is good. Slow growth is good. Day trading's a whole nother animal.
Remember, dividend
Um,
stocks pay you every year. So,
every earnings report, you get a payout,
well, every
and then you can
what
just
is it? What
roll it,
is it at? Is
and
a
then you roll
minimum
it.
of like a 0.04%, I think.
What I don't know what the minimum is. It just I and then you just roll it. My guy Richie's really good with dividend stocks, and that creates passive income. The thing is you got to keep rolling it. You don't take it. You keep rolling it, rolling it, rolling
See,
it.
for me, investing in dividend stocks, I'm a little bit late, so I can't really,
You're never late, bro.
it's not gonna be. I mean, if I was to fund my dividends enough for me to retire on, I'll be dead by the time I'll be able to retire.
What are you, insane? Why would you say that, bro? You're like, what are you, like 23, 24?
Oh,
Barely out of
maybe,
diapers. Yeah, you're barely
maybe,
out of diapers. You and Kiara, y'all parents shot the same aisle at the Winn-Dixie. Come on. Oh, I'm
you
sorry, the
know.
Walmarts.
But
Kroger's, Publix. I'm a Publix.
I have to day trade. I got a day trade because I could invest all I want into the market, into dividends, but I'm not gonna have enough time. So I need to do this so I can create lots of money and I can keep putting them in there. I make money
Right.
and I pay my bills, and then whatever I have left, I reinvest it.
I heard that. Uh, Boyomba. I guess I hope I'm saying that Homba. I hope I'm saying it right. You're very welcome, dude. Listen, I've been sitting in a stock Nvidia. Okay, I've been sitting in Nvidia, the chip maker, since 2015. Started with 100 shares. I purchased each share. It was like God. It was under $14. It was like 13.70 something per share. If we bring up NVIDIA now, and this is what I mean, do I have NVIDIA here? No. By the way, Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin, baby. 22,580. Make that money. I'm going to bring up NVIDIA to give you an idea of where it's at. So remember, I'm in under $14. It is now $187 today, but it's taken 7 years to get there. A year ago, NVIDIA was over $300. So when you start, and it's a dividend. So when you start looking at the money and letting it roll, man, just let it roll. Just let it roll. And then when the stock split, so I bought 100 originally for under 1,400, right? Now I have 400 because NVIDIA split during the year last year. So now I got 400 shares at $187 right now. But it took 7 years of investment to get there. So that's just something to keep in mind. Investment it's a long play game. What did I have on here? Oh, I had Bitcoin on this one. I got to go back to my Bitcoin. BTC. Get it, dog. Get it. Anyway, Eddie,
Yo,
it's 10:48.
I'm
It's
done.
10:48. We're gonna wrap this
Me
up.
no trading no more. That is it. I made my money. $48 for today. My account is still above 1,000. It should have been like over 1,100, but hey,
Hey, you know what? Progress is progress, bro. Rome wasn't built in a day, but it got built. These are the teachings I gave my children. I think, therefore I am. Where there's a will, there's a way. You are a result of the choices you make. I'm not preaching, I'm just saying. Progress is progress.
that's right.
Now, if you want to make your money quicker, Eddie, in the paper trading world, I want you to try something for me tomorrow. Okay?
I'm not using real
When you
money.
have more volume, when you have more volume or greater quantity size, your dollars multiply quicker.
Correct.
I know you like to buy your contracts in the money already, but they are extremely expensive. So instead of buying in the money already, maybe start looking at one or two spots out of the money, whether it's a call or a put, depending on the trend of the whatever the asset is that you're following. I'm following SPY today, right? But if I'm following Tesla, I trade mainly SPY, Tesla, and Nvidia. Those are my three things that I trade with because I'm familiar with them. I understand how they react and how they act and what they do.
Damn, but
Looking
like
for a pullback today
how
on
far
Tesla.
out of the money, Dean? And the
Well,
reason the reason why I do in the money is because I know time eats away at the option. So if it doesn't go in my direction, it eats away. That's why I don't like sitting there and waiting. That's why the moment it starts going in the opposite direction, boom, I
that's why you
sell
have
and
a
I'm
yes.
out.
That's why you have a stop, and that's why you stop trading.
Look at this. It just keeps going to the
You
downside. Look at this.
get your ass handed to you. You're still holding that one contract. In line down. I'm telling you, it's going to hit 393. We're 83 today. It's going to happen. Unless it happens in the market right now, it's going to happen.
Let me do what you
You want
would
me to
do.
draw the channel for you? I'll put the channel up.
No, 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 no. I got it. I got it. Let me
No
get
more
rid of.
trading for you today. You're done trading.
I am literally done trading today. Right, hold on. It's
But
right
now I put
there.
a channel up so it makes a little more sense to you, my friend. We're in that
So what
channel.
Vinny states is that it hits the top of the channel. You can buy a put option right to the bottom channel. There you go. You sell. When it starts going back up, you buy a call option. Take it all the way to the top right here. Once it gets here, then you sell. Okay, and then you write it down and it's just you just keep going back and forth. You make money.
Or,
You make
or, or I caught these contracts right here when it broke VWAP. When it was 395, I was in at 393, right? And I've been
uh-huh.
riding this channel all the way down. I sold one contract. I think it was right over here. No, I sold the one contract in here, right? Right before that big green candle. But again, That was a look at that. That was an inside bar. It didn't make a new higher high, it didn't make a new higher low or a new lower low. It was an inside bar, which is an indicator of it continuing in that trend, in the direction of that trend. When you get that inside bar like that. So to me, whoop, and we're still riding. We're
What do
still
you
riding.
see? So
So
now
I'm
it's gonna
still
come
sitting
to the
in
buy,
one foot.
and then
I
my
hope
my
so.
okay, and my buy would be like once it hits the top of the channel, the
You
next
could.
candle should be a candle under candle. So it
Yep.
should be like
Should
a
make
red candle, candle under
make a
candle, and
lower
that's when I make my purchase.
lower high. Yeah. Lower
Correct.
high.
A lower high if it's going down, higher high if it's going up, and I just catch like the in between. That's when I
Hmm.
sell, like when I'm in between before it gets to the top.
It's
Or
the same thing as your VWAP strategy. Look at your VWAP strategy. So you bought a put here. Hold on. Right? You caught a put here, sold it out. Now, if you were in the which the channel wasn't established yet, but you were in the trend line. But you can see it started back up. You could have sat here in it. It never gave you a candle above a candle close above the VWAP. But you could have sold in right here, right? You could have got rid of this right here in this area and got your money. Three bar move, bam. Could have got your money out here, right? You could have got your money out right here. There's a number of different ways. It just depends on how quick you are. So you could have got that candle out right there, right? On that big candle up, you could have sold it right there. You made a couple bucks.
yeah, because you already bought
Waited
all
for
the
it.
way at the top there.
That's right. Waited for it here. It never closed above the VWAP. Ripped back down. Depends on if you got, if you got cojones and you can, cojones of steel
See, when it's
or
a big
whatever.
when it's a big ball like that, when it's a big ball like that bar, and it went past that my line, I
Uh huh.
automatically sell because usually when there's a big bar that when there's a big pull to the downside, you get the kickback.
Right. So either way, there's 18,000 ways to do this.
Wait, is your white
It's
line the
really a
VWAP?
yeah for me. Line is up.
What are you looking at? What time frame?
This is trading view. This is on the 2 minute time frame.
Mine
My
is
trading view is set up different from Webull. I like Webull. It's a great trading platform. Fills are great. Fills are great. Not a lot of slippage. But I barely use the charts. I use TradingView for all my charts.
so not
All my
having
charts.
yeah, this damn line is really messing everything up.
Which line?
Look at
Okay,
my
let me bring
chart.
up your chart.
You see my line, my VWAP?
It's just based on different setting. That's all. You can change that setting. Ricardo Sanchez, bro, I hear you. I'm hyped. I am hyped for the Rideshare Garage tonight. I am hyped. A lot of energy. A lot of energy tonight.
Oh, bring it
Now watch
on.
that come. Bro kids. Bro kids. I know it's early out there in California for you, homie. It's going on 11 o'clock, like 8 a.m. in Cali right now. 7:55 in the morning in Cali, if I do my math right. What's going on, brother? We're having some fun, man. We trade in the morning, then get out there and hit that rideshare money. And then if we can pay our bills with our rideshare money, then whatever we make in trade, we keep it in there. If we can't make our bills with rideshare money, we take a little bit out of our trading. This is two jobs, dude. It's two jobs. See, now I got to get out of this contract. Bam, I'm going to sell that sucker right now.
See, this is my VWAP line. It is does not look nowhere like yours.
No, but I can't help you there.
Nowhere is like your damn line. It's been throwing me off. Go back to yours. I want to see yours again.
Hold on. There it is. Boom. All right, I'm out of that contract. That one, I played the game. I only made $4 on that contract. I sold that out. I was in at 46 and I sold that out at 50. Why does it not show me? Yeah.
That's
So
that's still my
we're out.
chart.
No, I was looking at my chart, bro. Hold on. You want to see this? Hold on. Ben,
Got
that's
it.
what you want to see? That's why I sold.
Yeah, see?
I sold that contract. I could have probably sat in it. Probably could have sat in it, but I didn't. I took profits. So I'm up
What does your chart look
42,
like from the beginning?
42, $50. No, I'm up more than that. What the No, that's about right. Hold on a minute. Hold on.
This view up is truly messing me up. Look at that, it's breaking the channel up to the upside.
I made 51. Yep. That's why I jumped out, because it broke that channel. And that's why I got out. So I'm up $52 on the day.
Nice. All
But
right.
I only
Well,
played 2 contracts. They were cheap. Yes, sir. Go for it. I'm all ears. All ears, my
all right.
brother.
Well, this is it. We are done for today. We made our money. Let me see. I am up $48 on my account, on my $1,000 account. Is this 1 week? No, this is my second week. My second week with my $1,000 account. Is this right? I think. I don't know. All right. We're
What's
done.
your
We
percentage?
do it again.
What's your percentage?
Uh,
55% today. Percentage.
I'm 7%. I'm 7%.
Okay. So tomorrow we will not be on my channel. We'll be only on Eddie's channels. And tomorrow, bro, we're going to try it my way. I want to see your percentages get up there. I want to see you make some real paper money. Okay.
Well, you want me to
wanna
crank it
see you
up
make
on
30,
my
You're going to try it my way tomorrow. Okay.
What's gonna be
You're
your
still
way?
going to use your same strategy. You're still going to use your same. What are you scared? Are you nervous? Are you scared?
Yeah.
FBI, open up!
Are you nervous?
Yeah. Yeah.
Don't be nervous, bro. Don't be nervous. It's okay.
What's up, bro,
It's
kids?
okay.
Yeah, I'm trying.
FBI, open up!
There's no
Getting
reason
out.
to be.
By the way, getting out of ride sharing to do this full time, like that,
It's a lifestyle, homie.
and it's paper money, and it's paper money.
Well, I
Imagine how
got
my
real money
stomach
going
drops
over
when it's
here.
real money.
Yeah, but I got it. Well, you know what? Find your Webull. What do they call those balls? Benoit balls. Find your Benoit's balls. Put them in your hand. Rub them
Ooh,
around a little bit.
Saba.
Get that stress out of you.
All right,
Okay.
hold on.
Benoit balls. Anyway.
I got it. There we go.
All right. We're gonna end this stream. Hey, thanks everybody for joining us this morning. My name is Vinny Cuz. That is Eddie Hustles,
Lose his
Riding,
money.
Driving in Style. Check us out tonight. We're gonna get it going. Kiara says she is crying this morning. Baby, we made you cry? Why we make you cry? We don't want to make you cry. No. There's no crying. There's
Just
no
one.
crying. There's no crying in life. You know why? Eddie, work harder. Nobody cares.
That's right.
There's no
That
crying
is
in
right.
life.
That's
And I know
right.
what you need, kid.
Or you could just get my $5 ebook and you can start ride sharing, making money, and then you could take that money and reinvest it into like day trading.
That's it. That's it.
All right. That is it for today.
All
I'll see
right,
you guys
bro.
tomorrow. Poof,
Hey, bro.
8:30.
Bro. Hey,
Well,
bro.
Vinny's gonna be here at 8:30. So
No. The stream goes live at 9:25. Will not be on my channel. Will be on Eddie's
all right.
channels. And then I'll see y'all on my channel on Friday. See you tonight. All right. See you later, bro.
Peace.
See you later, bro.
Pow.